Almost every sewing fail I've ever had came about because of a wrong fabric choice. A four-way stretch goes in this direction, the normal way around your body, but it also goes in this direction. It's like those Pinterest pictures that everybody wants to make this cake that looked like this one on Pinterest, and then you see all these fails that got posted because they couldn't make it exactly like that. Feel everything, look at the content on the labels, do your own stretch test, but you do have to watch for that. If you have a really beautiful print, don't break it up by making something that has a big seam down the front. If it's a real clingy knit, you don't want to do something that's going to show every roll and bump and lump. You want to do something that has more of a drape so that it's more flattering to your figure. Almost every fail that I've ever had has been because I chose the wrong fabric for the job.